All right, y'all, I know it's springtime. Don't be all giddy and happy and don't read the labels, because these big box stores, the blue ones and the orange ones, they will sell plants that are nowhere near your zone. And I can see one zone off, but I'm in zone 10B. This is zone 3. Come on now. What's this zone? And I love these flowers. I love lilacs, but I would like for them to bloom. What zone is this? Hold on, there's another lilac. Look, zone 3. Come on, people. Zone 3. Honeysuckle, no, we do have honeysuckle vines, but this is a different variety. Zone 3. Dang, look at all that. See, this is just a big tease. A big tease. And here we go again. More out of zone plants. What zone is this? Look how they hide it. Zone 4. You don't see that? Wait. Zone 4. All kinds of blueberries. Now I bought strawberries, Fort Laramie. Zone 3. See that? Zone 3. I'm zone 10B. Let's see. Now I bought these last year. I bought Josta berries. Now they bloomed, but they leafed, but I didn't get any flowers or berries. I got the Josta berry. I got some gooseberries. Nothing but leaves. All right, y'all be out. Y'all, all right, y'all be careful out here in these big box streets. You're gonna mess around and get something way out of your zone, and then you're gonna think there's something wrong with you as a gardener, when no, you started off on the wrong foot. Okay, and through no fault of your own. Zone 3. It's already burning up today. Southern California. I'm 10B. So gardeners, beware. You know, you start buying things out of your zone and then you think there's something wrong with you, and it's not. These big box stores should not be selling plants. Okay, at least a zone away from the current zone, but this is zone 3. I think I saw zone 2, and there was a zone 4, and we're in zone 10B. That's what, 3? If we go from zone 3, that's 7 zones away. You might as well be on the other side of the planet in Indonesia somewhere. So just be careful when you're at these stores. Check the labels on your plants to make sure they are in the correct zone. Because I don't know why they're doing that. I know I bought the Josta berries and I bought some gooseberries, and they leafed out. I got no blooms, and I definitely didn't get any berries. So FYI, it's springtime. Y'all got daisies in your eyes. Be careful. You're going to have daisies in your eyes and nothing in your hand to show for it.